So are you looking for the removing a website, removing background from your image without wasting any further time on the softwares? Then this is the quick tutorial for you actually. Link is given below in the description. You can simply just copy that link from description and open the website. I don't have any image right now, but let's search the image on Google. Okay, after saving the image on desktop, now let's move on the website. Simply type on the Google remove BG, means background, and then open this website. Just upload your image and that's it. Now just take a few seconds for uploading and then removing the background. Now the progress is running, and finally you will get a free PNG file easily, and you can see it's absolutely the smooth cleanup cutting, so you can easily get your PNG file from this website without investing or donating the money. You can download it. Hope you like this video, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.